Hello students, in this video I am going to explain chapter 9 rational numbers. What are rational numbers? Any number that can be represented in the form of P upon Q. It is rational number. And what are PQ? P and Q are any integers. P and Q can be any integer. It can be positive also, it can be negative also, except one condition that Q cannot be 0. डिवीजन में 0 नहीं रख सकते and P can be anything. P can be 0 also. P can be any integer, positive or negative, and Q can be any integer, positive or negative, except 0. For example, 4 upon 5. This is a rational number. Minus 5 upon 10. Again, it is also a rational number. Minus 1 upon minus 2. It is also a rational number. But 5 upon 0, this is not a rational number because Q cannot be 0, but P can be 0. 0 upon 5, it is a rational number. So, these are the numbers that can be represented in the form of P upon Q. These are called rational numbers. Now we are going to solve one question based upon this. Question number first is, list 5 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0. Two numbers are given, minus 1 and 0, and we have to give any 5 rational numbers that lies between minus 1 और 0. कोई भी 5 रैशनल नंबर हमें बताने हैं जो माइनस 1 और 0 के बीच में आएंगे. नाउ माइनस 1 एंड 0 के बीच में देयर आर infinite rational numbers. We can write any 5 of them. So how will you find it? See, we have to find 5 rational number. So we will divide minus 1, we will divide it and multiply it by a number. हम इसको एक नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करने वाले हैं. एंड 0 ऑल्सो विद द सेम नंबर. बट हम कौन से नंबर से इसको मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड करेंगे? इट कैन बी एनी नंबर. आप किसी भी नंबर से कर सकते हो, बट इफ़ यू हैव टू फाइंड 5 रैशनल नंबर, इट इज़ बेटर टू टेक मोर देन 5. टेक अ नंबर विच इज़ ग्रेटर देन 5. सपोज आई टेक 6. minus 1 multiplied by 6 and divided by 6, and 0 also multiplied by 6 and divided by 6. What will you get? It will become minus 6 upon 6, and this is 0 multiplied by 6 is 0. 0 upon 6. Now see, the denominators are same. Our main purpose was to make the denominator same. Denominator should be same. So denominator is 6. So denominator is same. Now numerator is minus 6 and 0. Now you can write the numbers that lies between minus 6 or 0. Minus 6 और 0 के बीच में जो numbers हैं, we can write that numbers. Minus 6 upon 6. And then minus 5 upon 6, minus 4 upon 6, minus 3 upon 6, minus 2 upon 6, minus 1 upon 6, and 0 upon 6. Minus 6 upon 6 is minus 1, minus 5 upon 6, minus 4 upon 6, minus 3 upon 6, minus 2 upon 6, minus 1 upon 6, and then 0 upon 6 is 0. See, हमें minus 1 and 0 के बीच में जो रैशनल नंबर लाई करते हैं, that we have to tell. And these are the rational numbers that lies between minus 1 and 0. There are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we get 5 rational numbers that lies between -1 and 0. Now one more question similar to this question. List 5 rational numbers between -1/2 and 2/3. In this question also we have to tell 5 rational numbers between -1/2 and 2/3. Similar question, but in this question fractions are given. These numbers are in fraction. So how will you solve such kind of questions? First you have to take the LCM. Take the LCM of 2 and 3. What is the LCM? LCM is 6. Now we will make the denominator 6. Now this is -1/2. 2 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि we will get 6? 3 से. So we will multiply it and divide it by 3. This 2/3. 3 को हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, then we will get 6. So it is multiplied by 2 divided by 2. Now it becomes -3/6 and it becomes 4/6. So this is -3/6 and it is 4/6. Now we can write the numbers that lies between -3 and 4. It is -2/6, -1/6, 0/6, 1/6, 2/6, 3/6 and 4/6. -3/6 is -1/2. So these are the numbers that lies between 4/6 is 2/3. Now these are the numbers that lies between -1/2 and 2/3. Now -2/6 you can write it in the simplest form, and 0/6 is 0. So you can write 0 also at this place. So you can convert it into its simplest form. You can cut it and you can cut this one also. You will get 1/3. Then you will get 1/2. So you can reduce it to its simplest form. And these are the numbers that lies between -1/2 and 2/3. So you can solve the questions in the similar way. Next question is complete the pattern. One series is given to you and you have to complete that series. -1/4, -2/8, -3/12 and so on. And you have to write the numbers, rational numbers that will come after -3/12. Now see, look at the pattern. If you check the numerator, अगर आप numerator देखते हो, then what do you see? 1, 2, 3. It is counting. Definitely 1, 2, 3 के बाद क्या आएगा? We know it is 4, 5, 6. और and see, सबके साथ माइनस है, तो माइनस will also continue. Then what will you get after this? After -3 it will be -4, then -5, then -6 and -7. So this is the series. काउंटिंग चल रही है तो आप काउंटिंग को ही कंटिन्यू करोगे. Now check the denominator. If you see, it is 4, 8 and 12. You can see it is the table of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So ये 4 का टेबल चल रहा है. So we have to continue it. हमें 4 का टेबल ही कंटिन्यू करना है. 4, 8, 12, then 16. So it will be 16 in the denominator, then 20, then 24, then 28. तो इस तरीके से वी हैव टू चेक कि न्यूमिनेटर में क्या पैटर्न चल रहा है और डिनोमिनेटर में क्या पैटर्न चल रहा है, एंड वी हैव टू follow that pattern. You will get these rational numbers. One more question based upon this, based upon the pattern. Here is one more question based upon the pattern. Check the numerator. Again you can see it is counting 1, 2, 3, 4. But see, only the first one is negative. Then after that positive numbers are following. So फर्स्ट नंबर नेगेटिव है बट उसके बाद सब पॉजिटिव आता जा रहा है. सो वी विल कंटिन्यू द पॉजिटिव नंबर्स. सो जो हम नेक्स्ट नंबर्स लिखने वाले हैं दैट विल ऑल्सो बी पॉजिटिव. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 के बाद क्या आएगा? 5, देन 6, देन 7 एंड देन 8. So this is the numerator. Now check the denominator. If you see, it is a table of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. 6 का टेबल फॉलो हो रहा है. So we have to follow that. 6, 12, 18, 24. अब 6 के टेबल में 24 के बाद क्या आएगा? 30, then 36, then 42, then 48. सो इस तरीके से हम 6 का टेबल ही फॉलो करेंगे. बट व्हाट विल बी द साइन? सी, फर्स्ट नंबर इज पॉजिटिव, देन आफ्टर दैट ऑल द नंबर्स आर नेगेटिव. सो आवर डिनोमिनेटर विल ऑल्सो बी नेगेटिव. सब नंबर अब नेगेटिव होते जा रहे हैं तो हमें डिनोमिनेटर को नेगेटिव ही रखना है. सो दिस विल बी द सीरीज. You just have to check out the pattern and then follow that pattern. Next question. Draw on number line. One rational number is given and you have to draw it on number line. 3/4. This is the rational number. You have to draw it on number line. So number line कैसा होता है? 0 के राइट हैंड साइड में पॉजिटिव नंबर्स होते हैं और 0 के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में होते हैं नेगेटिव नंबर्स. नाउ यू कैन क्लियरली सी इट इज़ पॉजिटिव नंबर. तो ये पॉजिटिव नंबर है तो वी नो ये 0 के राइट हैंड साइड में ही आने वाला है. सपोज दिस इज 1 एंड दिस इज -1. सो दिस इज पॉजिटिव नंबर 0 के राइट हैंड साइड में ही जाएगा. नाउ सी हाउ विल यू ड्रॉ इट? चेक आउट द डिनोमिनेटर. Denominator is 4. So what will we do? We will divide it into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. हम 0 और 1 के बीच को 4 equal parts में divide कर लेंगे. Then it is 0. Then it is 1/4. It is 2/4 and it is 3/4. Then it is 4/4 and 4/4 means 1. So 3/4, where does it lie? It is 3/4 on the number line. So 3/4 is represented by this on the number line. One more question based upon this number line is -5/8. Now this time it is a negative rational number and we have to represent it on number line. Now see, it is 0, 1 and then -1. Now what is the denominator? Denominator is 8. So we will divide it into 8 equal parts. हमें 8 equal parts में ही इसको divide करना है. जो भी numerator है, numerator is 5, then you will divide it into 5 equal parts. तो जितना भी numerator है हमें उतने ही parts में divide करना है. Denominator is 8. तो हम इसको 8 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have divided it into 8 equal parts. Now it is -1/8, -2/8, -3/8, -4/8, -5/8, -6/8, -7/8, and this is -8/8. which is minus 1. So minus 5 upon 8 is here. This one is minus 5 upon 8. So that's how you will represent the rational number on number line. If it is positive, it will go on the right hand side of 0. If it is negative, it will go on the left hand side of the 0. And we have to divide it into equal parts. Whatever the denominator is, we have to check the denominator. जितना भी denominator है हमें उतने ही equal parts में उसको divide करना है. So try to solve more and more questions based upon these. That's all. Goodbye.